Don't be serious that I miss you. Tikol. Whew, it's hot, hot, hot. Oh, siguro grabe pawis ko. Oh, basa oh. Sarap nga eh. Pero hindi muna ako maliligo, no? Magsampay muna ako ng aking labahin kasi naikot ko na yung labahin ko. Ayan. Tamsak, what? Tikol, put your put your main account first. Ano nga yon? So funny, I forgot to laugh. Laugh? Why? Because I'm not funny, you don't laugh? You laugh. Nye. Okay, mega love. Mega love shout out. You forgot to laugh. You laugh. If you watch my live stream here, you have to laugh. Because I don't want you to be sad to my live stream. That's why I'm thinking what to do. So that you will be happy. You will be happy, everyone. Huh? You know that? I'm thinking many brain to move my brain to what to do to be ano ba yun? Nawala tuloy ako. Nawala ako sa English. Happy Hopia, mega love shout out po. Yan, lagyan po Happy Hopia. Ay my God. Ayan, Happy Hopia, may damit ka na. Salamat naman, Happy Hopia. Wait ha, Happy Hopia. Watch kita. Later na lang, Happy Hopia, mamaya-maya. Ito pagkatapos ng aking pinapanood. Aray ko, ang init. You have to laugh ha, Mr. Tikol. Your stream ID, awesome. Wow, my stream ID? That's my face. Okay, Tikol. Okay, copy, Tikol. Yup. You know, if you are happy to my live, you know, I'm happy too. Of course I do. I want my viewers to be happy on my live stream. Okay? You know, ay, Diyos ko. Even though we have many problems, thanks po sa jacket. Yes po, ma'am. Thank you, Happy Hopia. Thank you for that. Thank you for coming. Okay, wait ano kita. Tapos ni Tikol, puntahan ko lang yung ano nyo para mabakasan. Ano ba to? So that I will dikit to you, to all two of you, no? Hindi, dikit na pala ako kay Tikol. Pinababa ko lang sa kanya yung main niya. Kasi Happy Hopia. Okay. Tikol. You know Tikol. Yan. Janet want to know a secret. What secret do you want to know? What secret do you want me to know? Just tell me and I will tell you. Naks. English pa more. Okay, I'm here to your Tikol, to your mansion or to your boy. Yes. You want to know my secret or I want to know you want me to know your secret? Ang hirap ng English na yun, ha? You can't say happiness without penis. Hey! Okay. Okay, docs. No. It's not like that. It's not like that, Tikol. You know, Tikol, I'm happy to see your name today. Speaking dollar pala dito. Hindi! Ano lang ngayon? Kung baga sa Japanese, eikaiwa. Tutorial English tayo ngayon kay Mr. Tikol. Kasi ano yan Amerikano kasi yan Amerikanong hilaw yan si Tikol, kaya ini-English ko. Kasi mamaya yan, magtatagalog siya, tapos pag dinamihan ko na yung Tagalog ko, sasabihin niya na I don't know. Yan, hindi niya na alam. Watching to you, Tikol. Init ng kalibutan. Oy, gusto mo Bisaya, Happy? Puntahan ko muna yung bahay mo, Happy, ha? Okay. Ayan. Actually speaking, Ria May Firolino needs help with WH. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? First responder, who is that? Who's you tell Ria May Firolino she have to do her WH. She have to work it. So, you have to say to Miss Ria May Firolino to watch my live stream so that our viewers will connect her. Okay? Understood? Okay, Happy Hopia, I'm here to your channel. And English spokening din po yun. English spokening din po yun. Orchid Road, Singapore. Okay. Ba? Ang yayamanin, nasa Singapore. Si Happy Hopia, nasa Singapore po. Yayamanin itech. O, diba? Dandikit na po ako sa iyo po. Yes. Okay. La 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 la. Maraming salamat po. Welcome naman. Ayan, nakadikit na po ako sa iyo kahapon pa kay kay Butangera. 'Di ba kay Butangera po kita nakita kahapon? Yan. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, Mr. Tikol. You tell your friend that she will work for her WH. She have to go to any account, any house in YouTube so that her WH will move. Move and move and move. Yes, opo. Andito pa ako watching watching pa ako kay Tikol at saka kay Orchard. Kay Orchard Singapore. Yan. Road Singapore. Tikol, ha? You tell your friend, ha? Oh. She have to work for the WH. Like she work hard for the money. She work hard for the watch hour. She work hard for the watch hour. She work hard for the watch hour so that she will monetize. Okay? And I will Maraming salamat po, 3 million viewers. Maraming salamat. At ako po'y magpapaalam na sa inyong lahat. Move like Janet, shaking the boom boom. Yes, that's right. Shaking the boom 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 boom. Yes. But my belly is too big. My belly is too big, Tikol, you know that. My belly is very, very, very big. But, you know, my body, when I was 30s, that's my body, you know? Now, my body is drumcan. That's my body when I was 30s. Oh, see, Tikol? Are you there, Tikol? You see my body when I was 30s, and now, look at me. With my 50s body. Oh, my God. Oh, help me, Lord. Oh, diba? Sige na, paalam na nga tayo. Oh, stunning beauty. Ito ako nung 30s. Ako. Oh, pero ngayon, yung 50s na, ayan. Ito na si, Dabiana. Malaking tiyan. Ay, sorry, happy Hopia. Pinakita ko lang yan kay Tikol kasi, wala na. 50s na po. 60s na, malapit na po mag-senior. Jenny Mix Vlog, salamat. Okay, shout out po sa lahat po ng dumalo kay Janet25 Vlog, kay host. Okay, Chill Vlogs, maraming salamat. Disney Princess, Mary Gina Ariola, Gina De Ursula, Mind Channel, Teen 60. Ang hindi ko po napuntahan si Teen 60. Kapitbahay ko lang yan dito. Yan, Gina Mix Vlog, Hello Kitty, Jiners, ayan, mga KJ Moons, yan, mga family. Tricia Monique, Mirna Labajo, Ray Flores, still watching ako sa iyo. Sino ito pinapanood ko? Ay, Sally Trevino, still watching ako sa iyo video. Malapit na matapos. Yes, and Tricia Monique. Nakita ko na, nag-pop up na. Nakita ko, hindi ko pa inopen kasi nakaano yung aking telepono. Okay, Tricia Monique, Mirna Labajo, Ray Flores, Feli Sideria, Brenda Jane Flores, Gracil Nunez, Glory Jane Gallardo, Cyril Puyo, Sally Trevino, Saling Pusa, Elsie Bergado, Botangera Mix Blog, Nisa Bergado, Elhad Sayukyu, yes, Dalia Quiz, Marilyn Loiga, ito si Marilyn Loiga, si Teen 60, hindi ko pa napasyalan ha, si Tikol, okay na to, si Ate Lerms, okay, then Marilyn Loiga, Misterioso, Mr. Su, Selkuti Family Vlog, yes, Lerma Maril, yan, si Ate Lerma din, hindi ko pa napuntahan, dalawa, Tikol, I do my watch to your channel, okay, mega love shout out, Ariel, good morning po sa iyo din. Yan, maraming salamat. Magandang umaga din po sa inyo. Always supporting Janet25 Vlog, Ariel, Butangera Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Grabe, energetic na energetic ang boses ko. Akala mo naman, pero naghihingalo. Naghihingalo, 3 sayaw lang na sayaw, inahingalo na. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. As this is host Janet here in Japan! Ayan, ang itsura ko po. Nag-live po ako sa ano, sa, ang tawag nito, sa cellphone ko. Kasi kahapon malaki yung aking, ano eh, malaki ang watch hour ko sa cellphone. Kaya po ako nag-live ulit sa ano. Kaya po ako nag-live ulit dito sa ano, sa, tawag nito, sa cellphone ngayon. Kasi titingnan ko kung ganun din, kung maraming views. Kaya, tingnan natin. Kaya dito ako nagwa-watch naman sa laptop. Yan. Maraming salamat for million viewers saying sign off to each and everyone. Bye Bush and Jenny. Bye. Bye. Tikol. Bye. Happy Hopia. Bye. Ariel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And thank you. Arigatou gozaimashita. Mata yoroshiku onegaishimasu. See you again. And ano pa ba? Jane. Si means bye. Bye. Jane. Yan, tandaan nyo yan. Jane. Arigatou gozaimashita. Mata yoroshiku onegaishimasu. See you around on YT World. Babish. Ariel, bye. Thank you. Babush.